Hello everyone. This will be the first in a series of beehive videos. I have my top bar hive here. I built this last year. I did not successfully attract a swarm, nor did I capture one, so I'll be trying again this year. And so I'm going to be putting the legs on and setting it up in my backyard. I just had to do a few minor repairs on the lid there, and I'll have to do some more redesigning, but I'm not going to do that today. I may make a video of that this weekend if I can get to it. But today I'm just going to set the legs up, which is an easy process, and get it into the backyard where I hope to keep it. Here is the hive with the top bars in place, and you can see I have a bee swarm lure. Last year I tried the lemongrass essential oil trick on a little Q-tip, but that didn't work to attract a swarm, so I purchased this bee swarm lure, and this supposedly has the pheromone in it as well. I'm going to give that a try this year. And once I insert that into the hive, then I'll put the lid on and let it go.